Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 6 solved by a completing square. Part E is x square plus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. So for completing square, the first step is we have to shift the constant value on the other side of equal. So x square plus 3x would be equals to 18. Negative sign change into positive. Now we will apply here the completing square formula, which is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. So x we will keep same. What is b by 2? B is the coefficient of x. So here the b by 2 would be equals to 3 over 2. Now let's substitute the values in the formula. It would be x plus 3 by 2 whole square and minus 3 by 2 whole square equals, equals to 18. Now the first value we will keep same, the completing square, x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus the square of the 3 is 9, the square of the 2 is 4 equals to 18. Now we will shift the constant value on the other side of equal. X plus 3 by 2 whole square equals to 9 over 4 plus 18. So here we have the one fraction, so second value we can make the fraction. Let's, there is no denominator, it means it would be 1. So now when we have the two fractions with plus or minus sign, so we can solve the fraction by using the same denominator method. Means we need to take the LCM. For the LCM, first we need to make the same denominator. So the denominator is 4 here. On the side we can make the denominator 4 if we will multiply with the 4 and divide the fraction with 4. So now the x plus 3 by 2 whole square we will keep same, which is equals to the 9 by 4 and then plus 18 times 4, 72 over 4 times 1 is 4. So when we have the same denominator, now we can take the LCM. LCM is 4 here. So 4 is LCM. The top values we will write together, 72 plus 9. After that, we will take here, we will add the first value again, we will keep same, x plus 3 by 2 whole square, but the second value would be 81 over 4. Now for further simplification we need to remove the square, so we will take the root on both sides. So here we need to take plus minus sign with the root when you are taking on both sides. So x plus 3 by 2 equals to, square and root will cancel, equals to plus minus the root of 81 is 9, and then the root of the 4 would be 2. So now we will shift this constant value on the other side, it becomes minus 3 by 2 plus minus 9 by 2. Now we will write the one time with positive and one time with negative, minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2, and the second time the x value would be equals to minus 3 by 2 plus minus 9 by 2. Now the denominators are same, so we will take the LCM here of these two fractions. LCM is 2, the top values we will write together when the denominators are same. So here again we will do the same. The denominator write once and minus 3 minus 9 comes as it is. So then x would be equals to 2 by 2, and here x would be equals to minus 12 by 2. Finally the x value would be equals to 1, and the second time x value would be equals to minus 6. So as we got the two values of the x equals to minus 6 and 1. But f is x squared plus 9x minus 10 equals to 0. So at the first step for completing square, we will shift the constant value on the other side of equal. So plus 9x equals to 10. Now we will apply the completing square formula there, which is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. So what is the b by 2 there? B is the coefficient of x, which is 9. So it would be the 9 over 2. So let's substitute in the formula. X we will keep same. So x plus 9 over 2 whole square, then minus 9 over 2 whole square equals to 10. So now x plus 9 over 2 we will keep same, and the square of 9 is 81 divided by 4 equals to 10. So we will shift the constant value on the other side of equal. 9 by 2 whole square equals to 10 plus 81 over 4. It's a minus, you will shift on the other side, it becomes plus 1. Now there is fraction, so we can make the other number 10 also the fraction. So there is no denominator, it means it will be 1. So how can we solve these two fractions if the sign between the two fraction is plus or minus? So we can solve by LCM method. So LCM method is, first we have to make the same denominator. So here is 4, here is 1. So in the first fraction, if we will multiply and divide with the 4, so we can get the same denominator. So let's keep the first value same. 9 by 2 whole square, it would be equals to 40 over 4 plus 81 over 4. So now when the denominators are same, so we have to take LCM. LCM means that keep write down the denominator once and keep the numerator same. 40 plus 81. So here, so x plus 9 over 2 whole square we will keep same, and there 80 plus 40, 81 plus 40, which is 121 over 4. Then again we need to remove the square, so we will take the root on both sides. So here with the root we will place the plus minus sign. Now square and the root will cancel out, so x plus 9 over 2, which is equals to plus minus root of 121 is 11 and root of 4 is 2. So now we will shift the constant value on the other side, it becomes minus 9 over 2 plus minus 11 over 2. Then we have the two values, so we will write first the negative value and then positive. Minus 9 over 2, then plus 11 over 2, same as it is. Here we will write x equals to minus 9 over 2 minus 11 over 2. So now the denominators are same, we will take direct LCM. LCM is 2. When the denominators are same, so we will just write the numerators together same as it is. X is equals to, for the second one, again we will do the same, just the sign are changed. 2, and it will be minus 9 minus 11. So now x would be equals to minus 9 plus 11. It would be the 2 over 2. Minus plus makes minus. 11 minus 9 is 2. over 2, and bigger number has positive sign, so we will place here positive. And the second, x equals to minus 9, minus and minus makes plus. 11 plus 9 is 20, both have negative sign, so we will place here negative sign. X value would be equals to 1, and x value would be equal here minus 10. So at the end we got the true solution for the x is equals to minus 10 and 1.